Hi everybody. The flight from Yerevan, Armenia to Tbilisi, Georgia was one of the shortest flights of my life. Basically, it was maybe 25 minutes on air, super fast. The airplane just took off and then we were already landing. Crazy, super fast. So now I'm here in Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia. Today is a very cold day. It's raining. The weather is terrible. It's terrible for sightseeing, but I just have today so to discover the city, to walk through the city. So I will show you guys a little bit, and tomorrow I have a tour here in Georgia. Will visit some mountains. So let's go to the Narikala Fortress. We have a fortress very close to the hostel where I am. This is a very nice hostel, by the way, guys. If you come here to Tbilisi, I recommend you to book a room through booking.com or Hostel World in this place here, Tbil Home Hostel. It's very comfortable inside, very nice. There are some signs indicating where this hostel is, so it's easy to find it. I'm sure you guys will not miss it. So this is the view we have from here. It's raining, not that strong, but it's raining. So this is the old part of the city. The streets they aren't big. Cars don't drive here. We just have some cars parked here, but at this area they don't drive around. What else? Let's go here. Today is Tuesday, by the way, but the city is a little full of tourists. Well, not as many tourists as in Rome, for example, but there are many tourists here. We have a beautiful church there. I think I will go there afterwards. I hope the rain stops because it's really bad walking with this rain. At least it's light. It's not that strong. I think I will take that cable car. And then from taking that cable car... Wow, this driver is so crazy. Taking this cable car, it's easier to arrive to the fortress. This is a perfect day to stay only sleeping, watching Netflix series, or I don't know, stay inside a museum. Here is the St. George Cathedral of Tbilisi. Hi. some boats here. Wow, the view from here is nice. Really cool. It's really nice, this train car we have here. They transformed it in a cafeteria. Really nice. So here is a place where I take the cable car. So here is the entrance. From here you buy the tickets. Only cash payment. Okay, I wonder how much is it? I think it's cheap. Cost is only, I think 6 or 2. I don't know how much I was charged. Next one. Oh, okay. Hi.
Hi.
So here we have a nice view from the city. Estoy en un restaurante que me parece que es un restaurante israelí. Por lo menos venden comida kosher, comida de Israel, bueno, comidas típicas pero kosher. Estoy al lado de la grande sinagoga de Tbilisi, aquí de Georgia. En esta parte del mundo hay muchas sinagogas, aquí en el Cáucaso, en los Balcanes. En el pasado, o sea, antes de la Segunda Guerra Mundial, muchos judíos vivían aquí, en esta parte del mundo. Muchos se fueron a vivir a Israel. Thank you very much. Y hay muchas conexiones entre Georgia e Israel, entre los países de los Balcanes e Israel. Y pues hay una grande sinagoga aquí. Hay un memorial delante de la grande sinagoga con las fotos de unos soldados que fueron muertos. No sé si es cosa reciente, no sé si fue algo en los últimos ataques. Es la primera vez que bebo una gaseosa verde, miren. Es una gaseosa verde, es limonada con tarragón, con aroma de tarragón, no sé qué es eso. Pero parece que es una planta, algo así. De Israel, los cuadros, las decoraciones y todo. Me trajeron pan porque solicité pan. Y esto es una comida típica aquí de Georgia. Entonces me encanta eso porque echo mucho de menos los frijoles, como muchos frijoles en Brasil. Y aquí como que tiene frijoles y un poco de carne, creo. Este restaurante se llama Restaurante Rei Davi.